Hey guys, good afternoon. We have our little watchdog. Very good, well-behaved watchdog.
That's our pillow.
Yeah, she keeps us safe. We had breakfast here today. We kind of had a funny morning, but she protects us while we're eating breakfast. We got up early today to go to Kawasan Falls, but they were closed today. Luckily, it was they weren't. We when they said they were closed, we thought they were like, oh man, it's because of the pandemic. They're closed. They're not doing it anymore. The canyoneering, but they just said they clean once a week.
Yeah.
So that's good news.
Yes.
So we're like, okay. So it was only like a half-hour drive maybe. So it's really not too far. So we're just gonna do that tomorrow.
Yes.
And then today we came back and we're gonna do I think sardines and turtle watching.
Run sardines.
Yeah.
Turtle.
So we're gonna go there and we don't know how we're gonna be able to videotape that much. Just a lot of that's underwater. But and then when you try to talk, it's all muffled. So we're gonna do our best. So we're just gonna go there and try to have as much fun as we can. See some turtles, sardines.
Yes.
And see what happens. So it's a little bit later in the afternoon now. We got a later start because we had to go to Kawasan Falls today. But anyways, we're back now. So we're gonna go, and that's the plan.
Yeah.
So the sardine place is not too far from here. So we're gonna go check that out and hopefully see some sardines and turtles.
See ya.
Cool. Yeah. So we'll see you guys later. Bye. What should we name her?
We'll name
She's a very, very sweet dog.
Bantay.
Hey, Bantay.
You know Bantay?
What does Bantay mean?
Bantay, that's Bisaya for guard.
For guard, okay. Bantay, that's actually a really cool dog's name. Bantay. See ya, Bantay. Keep our house safe. She's very protective. She barks at every other dog that comes by. Very sweet dog. All right, so we're gonna take off. I'm gonna see when we get there. Wow, it is very bright out here. It's hard to tell if this thing is on. I think it's on. So Richie and I just came down. This is like, what beach is this? Paniksama, okay. So here's like a little, I'll let you guys see. Pretty cool area. So a big difference from the white beach, kinda. There's a little bit less place to walk. I think this is more for like snorkeling. And right now we're gonna go see if we can find some turtles and I think some coral reefs. And there's that island we saw yesterday. We're a bit closer today. So the white sand beach is down this way. And I drove my drone, or flew my drone kind of in this area. So it came over here. Very nice temperatured water. A little trick, if you're on your own, we put some soap in our goggles to keep the fogginess away. You can also use spit, right? A little bit of spit, like use your spit. Yeah. Soap, I think, is the best one. Have you seen turtles in the ocean before?
Not yet.
Cool.
If it's high tide, you can see turtles.
Here?
You can see grass.
Yeah.
Ah, cool.
But right now, dili makayo kuan, dili makayo high tide.
No?
So long dito kayo.
So go a little bit further out there. What's that?
I don't know how to swim.
Okay na. Ayun, itaod ang mask. Make sure nga wala here inside the mask so that the water cannot be inside the mask.
Okay.
Sure you can.
I'll let you go first. Very nice. You can be a scuba model. How's it feel? Okay?
Okay.
So there's a turtle right there.
Oh!
You can see the top of its head. You can see it.
Oh, look at that!
All right, hey guys, so we just got back. You can see the line. Is there a line on my forehead?
No.
You can see the line from the mask. It's better to have it tight. Did you get water in your mask?
A little bit
A little
coming
bit,
back.
yeah. But man, it was fun. That was quite an experience. Hopefully you guys can hear us. I tried to dry off the GoPro as much as I could. Sometimes it gets muffled. So if it's muffled, we apologize. But we're about to go to the pool. We just made it back. We're gonna kind of
We'll jump in the...
yeah, the salt water. You can only take so much of the salt water.
Yeah.
So we're gonna swim a little bit.
That's amazing. That was amazing.
What was your favorite part?
In our experience.
Like the turtles, sardines. I saw a snake. She
Really?
missed it. She was being tugged. We had a guide.
I tried not to hold that.
Yeah.
What's it, life vest or
Yeah.
no what?
The lifesaver, like the
yeah.
tube.
And then I'm stuck, and I'm scared because when I look at the ocean, it's so deep. So he saw me, and then I grabbed it again.
It
Which
was
is easier to swim because he will just follow.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I did most of the trip kind of behind them. It was nice though because the tour guide was pretty much tugging her around on the thing, and that's nice if you can't swim. Because if you can't swim, that really is handy.
Yeah, your safety because
Yeah.
you have life jacket at the same time you're holding.
Yeah, shout out to our guide. He's a really cool guy. But it was cool because it's like shallow, and all of a sudden drops off like until the abyss. You can't see anything anymore. And we saw what, 4 turtles?
4 turtles.
3 or 4 turtles?
Yes.
Yeah. So that was really cool.
Which one do you like? Turtles, corals, fish, sardines.
Well, mine was the snake.
The snake.
Yeah, I saw a snake, and I was trying to catch up to them to let them know, but that was pretty cool seeing the snake. Hopefully you guys can see that on the camera. But the turtles were cool. The sardines, there's just so many sardines. I've never seen that many fish in one area.
I forgot.
So many.
I should ask them if they catch some sardines there.
I'm sure they do. I mean, I don't know. There's so many of them.
That's
Yeah, there's so many. I've never seen that many. I mean, there's like whoosh, all you look and see is just sardines. But this is kind of where we are. We're just coming here through the gate. That's our little convenience store, and our room is pretty much right behind there. And then this way is where the pool is. So we're just gonna take a quick dip. Yeah, we'll give you a little tour. We walked through here just the first day, but this is our first time swimming. So very cool area. It's like right in the middle of everywhere. Today we went to the other side. We went to White Sand Beach yesterday, which is this way.
Yeah.
Maybe like 10 minutes. And then today, what was the name again? Starts with the P. What?
Panagsama Beach.
Panagsama Beach. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the one we went to today.
Yes.
And then so there's other rooms here. They're pretty nice here. But luckily we get to use the pool for free.
Yeah.
So that's a really good deal.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take advantage. I think the gym, they do have a gym that's extra, but you know, Richie and I don't lift weights. we just eat potato chips.
Water at the house.
Yeah. That's enough work doing that work. Well, look at that pool. What's up, bro? He's our host. He's a very good guy. He's in. Oh, nice.
Or here.
This is in the shade.
All right.
Want to try to sit here?
Yes.
It's a nice little romantic table. Got some candles and some flowers.
Kind of table.
Yeah, these are the best kind of flowers because they never die. All right, so here we are. I think we're just gonna hang out here. I don't know. Hopefully these videos aren't too boring for you. We're just kind of relaxing a lot. Today's swimming though. It's hard to videotape underwater because there's not really much you can do and you can't really talk. Yeah, and once you get the camera wet, you can't really talk. So I let it dry. Right after we swam, we kind of just walked around a little bit, and then that was it. Then we came back here. So now we're just gonna swim, and that's about it. I was like, Richie, you just gonna jump in? She's really afraid that she's gonna drown.
It's so deep. I'll just gym here.
Yeah, you don't need a gym. You can just do that all day.
Gym here. How come no for me?
All right, guys, welcome. Hopefully you can see us and hear us. So Richie, I'm gonna try my best. I tried to teach her before to swim, but
Still,
she's very, very scared.
I think 2 things that I will never learn: swimming and driving.
Well, that's because you already had it in your head. You gotta say, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. If you already decide that you're not gonna do it, then it's already in your head that you can't do it. But it's not so hard. Here, hold on to this. And the good thing about out here, if you do like start to get tired or like something, you can always just go and just push from the ground. So sink, like if you don't start to panic. Like if you start to sink, just go all the way down. And just push yourself back up. Here, try that. We'll start with that.
No.
No. All right, I'll go out there with you. Here, you can. I have a long stretch. You can take my arm. So try to go out there and just push yourself all the way down and just push yourself back up with your feet.
Oh no, don't.
Oh, I won't let go yet. Want it? No? Oh. You okay? All right, lesson one. That was good. She did pretty good on that one.
I need life jacket.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna do my little cleanie. All right. So.
That's it. I'll just hold here.
You just hold here? All right.
I think there is not so deep.
Yeah, over there. We're going the shallow end.
But I can swim holding here, just on the edge.
Yeah, you can go around on the edge. Over here, though, this way is faster if you go this way. Don't drink that. We don't know where that's coming from. Right over here, it gets pretty shallow.
There is might be so deep.
Well, this way is faster if you go this way. She's taking the long way. Right here you can touch. Right here you can touch. Nice pool though, this is perfect.
That's it.
I can only take so much of the salt water
That's it.
after like an hour.
I can swim. The problem is I cannot float.
Yeah?
If I'll just swim, I can, but
I think you need to eat more fatty foods.
what?
I don't know. Just drink lots of air.
I'll listen to that again.
Huh? Alright. You probably should almost be able to touch. Maybe over here. Yeah, it's more safe to practice swimming, or at least you can touch. All right, so I think for the rest of the day, we're just gonna hang out at the pool. Richie's gonna keep practice swimming. She's getting pretty good at going around in circles. So I think we're just gonna swim here for a little bit, fly the drone, and after that we might get something to eat. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do later.
I'm floating.
Yeah, that's good, perfect. If you learn how to do that, you can pretty much swim anywhere. That's one thing, I can't float. That's one thing I never really learned how to do.
What do you use for swimming? Rod?
I think I'm like a doggy paddle. I think they call what I do a doggy paddle.
Daniel's an artist swim like this.
As long as, I think you can swim any way you want. As long as you stay afloat, then I think you're accomplishing something. All right, so I think I'm gonna fly the drone now, see what's going on up there, see what the view looks like. Richie's gonna continue doing her exercises. All right, we'll see you guys later.